Hello everyone, today we are going to be unboxing and checking out the Ninja Extended Life Ceramic 5-piece cookware set.
Without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, first step, let's open the box. Now the first box is out of the way. We have the main box with the actual features of this set. It is called the Ninja Extended Life Ceramic. It is a 5-piece pan set. It features ceramic lock and it is supposed to maintain non-stick for 5 years, which is also the length of the warranty. As we can see from the side of the box, they are made without lead, cadmium, PFAs, PFOAs, and they require little to no oil in order to cook. They are oven safe up to 285 degrees Celsius, dishwasher safe, as well as compatible with all hobs, including induction. Inside the box, we are going to have a 20 centimeter as well as a 24 centimeter frying pan, as well as a 16, 18 and 20 centimeter saucepan. On the other side of the box, we have a few examples of things you can cook with them. The same statements from the front are on the side as well. On this side of the box, we have an illustration showing us a bit more about the actual pans. So let's actually have a look at the pans. Okay, inside the box we have a quick start guide telling us a bit more about the use and care of the pans, how to get started. First up, nicely wrapped, we have one lid. I quite like the fact that it has got a vent hole. From previous videos I've seen, I believe the initial launch of these didn't have a vent hole in the lid, so it's nice to see that they have got one now. It feels very heavy for the size of it. The handle fits comfortably. That's quite nice. Next up, lid number 2. This one looks a little bit smaller than the other one. Again, very solid and sturdy. Onto the actual pans. First one, I'm not too sure what size of it is. 1.4 litre, I'm not sure of the actual centimetre kind of, but anyway, this is the 1.4 litre saucepan. The handle feels very nice and very sturdy. The bottom looks quite thick as well. So far, so good. This is the 20 centimeter pan. It's quite small. This would be perfect if you're making breakfast for one. Again, the handle feels really sturdy. I believe it might be stainless steel handle. We will double check that, but the construction of it feels really good. Okay, this one is a 2.4 litre pan. Same as the other ones, it feels really sturdy and really well made. Here we have another lid. I believe this is the smallest one out of the 3 so far. Same sort of look and same construction with a vent hole, really handy. This is a much bigger pan. We have a 3.3 litre. Same again, really sturdy handle, very solid overall. And the final piece. And there we go. This is a 24 centimeter pan. Now that the set is unboxed, let's have a look at it in a bit more detail.
Now this cookware set may be non-stick, but that does not make them magic, and that you shouldn't know how to maintain and preserve the ceramic coating. So here's a couple tips and tricks to extend the life of your cookware. Up first is adding fats to your pans. So these can be either oils or butter, but never any aerosol non-stick sprays, as they can burn and leave residue behind on the pans. So next is about choosing the appropriate tools. Now metal utensils are safe to use on the ceramic cookware set, but personally I'd recommend using something a bit softer such as silicone or wood. Now when it comes to cleaning your cookware set, these are in fact dishwasher safe. However, personally I would recommend washing them by hand with hot soapy water. So let's talk about preheating and using the correct temperature for cooking. Now before first using your cookware set, you need to wash these pans with hot soapy water, rinse and then dry thoroughly. Next you need to thoroughly preheat your pan. Now to know when it's fully preheated, simply drop a little bit of water into the center of the pan and the water droplets should bounce around the pan and not evaporate. Now it's also important to know about the different heat settings for cooking different foods. Now for warming foods, simmering or creating delicate sauces, put the pan on low heat. For reducing liquids, making things such as pancakes or sandwiches, place the pan on medium heat. Now for sauteing, frying, stir frying or making things such as omelettes, put it on medium to high. And finally, for boiling liquids and searing, place your pan on high. But it is worth mentioning never to leave an empty pan on the heat for more than 2 to 3 minutes. Now when you're done with your cookware and you want to put them away for storage, make sure you separate the pans with a little bit of paper towel. That way this will protect the ceramic coating. Now you may be wondering, are the lids compatible with the frying pans? Well, we've already checked and the only lid that is compatible is from the 3.3 litre saucepan, which fits the 20 centimetre frying pan. So that was us unboxing the Ninja Extended Life 5-piece ceramic cookware set.
If you'd like to see this set in action, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the upload.
Thanks for tagging along and we'll see you again on the next one.